Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to change language on your Steam application using your Android or iOS device. To change language on Steam, launch open the Steam application on your device and log in. From the home page of the Steam app on your device, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in this page. Click on Settings from the menu. Under Settings, tap on Language drop-down. Now, choose a different language you want to change to. After making the selection, you will be able to change the language setting immediately. After you do that, you will then be able to change your language. If the language change does not take effect immediately, force close the application first and reopen it again. So that is the process that can help you change the language on your Steam application using your Android or iOS device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.